The Indian what?
I will, because I have chocolate there and some juices.
I'm hungry.
What'd you bring?
Goodness.
Okay, what the fuck did you make?
Shut the hell up and try.
What did you make?
I made the sandwiches.
You didn't make shit. You didn't bring shit, huh?
Three, baby. Yeah, you were rushing me, okay?
No, I wasn't.
Move your leg. Fuck. Ready, guys, let's go.
I videotaped that whole conversation. You know that?
Good night.
Push me?
Fuck, I can't move you. Pick your legs up.
Look at poor Bradley.
Good at that. Pick them up.
Right, Thea?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm scared. You gotta go on first.
Why?
Because right when I get on, we're gonna start taking off. Ma! Ma! You gotta move. We're gonna go down. That's it.
Yeah, move over.
That thing has steering. Hey, you see that one thing that guy was steering?
Right here, Thea? Oh, right there.
Go, babe, go, go.
Woo!
Good job.
Wanna go right here? Or where?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here we go.
Why pee on you? I'm sorry.
Hold it in, Thea. Okay. You ready? Hold on to be
Are
tight.
you ready for us?
Hold on. You guys aren't gonna make it over here, are you?
Yeah? Okay. Are you okay, Thea?
I'm fine. Let's do it again.
All right, let's go.
Go higher though.
All right.